What is it, Alice?
Volturi. They're coming for us.
If enough people knew the truth, maybe we could convince the Volturi to listen. My family's in danger. I need your help. We'll join you.
We will stand with you.
A lot of red eyes around here.
What's behind the scenes that you are so sad that you are not going to get until there's a next movie?
You know what I will miss is seeing Peter in his wig. That is endlessly entertaining.
Well,
and
we just went there. You can also add seeing me in my wig, because that's endlessly entertaining as well.
You in a wig cap, you and Peter in wig caps with white makeup and robes is like one of my favorite visuals. So I will miss that.
See, that's what we're talking about with perspective. See, in the moment, that is not appreciated, but with a little distance, we can all really appreciate and love and laugh at that moment in time.
Yay.
Yeah, yay!
I wondered if you guys along the way have learned anything from your characters.
I think it's what we put into our characters that was great. I mean, my outlook on life is live life to the fullest and enjoy every moment. And with that, you know, I try to show that with Emmett and how he's a bit fearless and he just loves life. You know, also with the whole family unit, I come from a large family. So when someone messes with my younger or older siblings, I definitely become the protector, much like Emmett does with his family.
Playing Rosalie, people think that I'm a lot more confident and a lot stronger than I am, and like there's no vulnerable or sensitive side or goofy side to me, and so I've sort of learned from Rosalie, you know, to embrace whatever qualities I have, because she certainly embraces every aspect of herself.
Yeah, I like that.
It's cool.
Well, and from where we're sitting, I mean, you guys make it so real for everyone. You know, I'm sure, have you guys ever been approached by a fan in a surprising way? Because I'm sure that, you know, everybody thinks you are your characters.
It wasn't a fan. It was actually an interviewer on the red carpet for an MTV event, and this woman would not let the question go of whether or not I like to bite in real life, and she wanted me to bite her, and it just became a very awkward interview very quickly. And I remember just trying to get out of it. I was like, no, I'm sorry. And she kept pressing the question, and I was just like, I'm just gonna walk away now. I'm so sorry. The answer is no, honey. No means no.
Any lessons for you?
Mostly I've learned from Esme that I need to not wear sweatpants all the time. Because I love that woman is so pulled together. I could never do that. She's always wearing heels, always wearing a dress. I don't think I wore pants in 4 years.
Yep, I couldn't agree more.
You know, and that is impressive to me. So I've taken that away. I try to wear a dress once in a while.
Yeah, she does.
Elizabeth, I'm wondering if you have a favorite song on the soundtrack? This is a trick question.
Well, you may have heard of this artist. Her name is Nikki Reed. Her album just dropped yesterday. It just dropped.
I've had a really hard time saying that about myself. My album dropped.
I've been saying it all day. Oh, Nikki, her album just dropped.
Like Alice. She's dropping vases. You're dropping albums.
Yeah, dropping albums.
Alice drops vases.
It's pretty amazing to be the last song of the movie in the last movie. I mean, it's pretty epic.